city as widespread as Los Angeles, getting to East LA for authentic Mexican food or to Chinatown for traditional dim sum isn't always practical. Perhaps this is why a new dining trend has taken LA by storm, and it's only a tweet away. Here's Garth Kemp.
From dim sum to dosas, cupcakes to Korean barbecue, mobile food courts are thriving, and they could be coming to your neighborhood.
I work right out on here on Wilshire, and I got to tell you, just the choices of the catering trucks that are around here is absolutely phenomenal. I've actually tried them all because each one offers just something a little bit different than the next. Mexican, Chinese fusion, Korean, Mexican fusion type of food.
Finding these amazing mobile eateries is easy via Twitter or a fan link on Facebook.
I actually saw where they were on Twitter and was able to find their location, their time, and just follow them. Microblogging offers a means of communication between these catering trucks and the fans, the customers, the community. With that, everybody can stay in touch, know exactly where they are.
The portable catering craze started with the Kogi Taco Truck, a hybrid of Mexican fare and Korean barbecue that continues to keep after-hour clubbers craving instead of raving. And at $2 a pop, it's budget-friendly. Since then, many genres of cuisine have gone curbside. Even the well-established Border Grill in Santa Monica has gotten into the game.
Our mission is to get it out there in the press, make it visible, and I think really, try to create a buzz. And, you have to keep reinventing yourself constantly, which is what we're, trying to do.
But you might ask how the fare compares, truck versus restaurant.
I think the quality for what we're serving on the truck is equally as good as it is in the restaurants.
More fresher than regular sushi restaurant. Its sushi is so good,
This is Dosa Truck, and we're specializing in South Indian street food. It's custom made. It's a fermented batter from lentil and rice flour. And this is masala dosa. It's got what we call a smashed curried Indian potato inside. The dosa is the shell. I've been eating this food for a really long time, and I wanted to bring it to the streets of LA.
Even with all the new choices out there, traditionalists need not worry. Classic taco trucks are still on the scene, and you can even find a truck with good old-fashioned hot dogs.
I think we're just doing something, pretty simple with real pure ingredients, and people, when they taste it, they know it,
Flavor, texture, condiments, environment.
And everyone's appetite seems satisfied, from the vendors to the customers.
I love the whole food truck thing. We're big food truck fans. It's a great development from the economy going the way it is and being able to eat food that's really reasonably priced where you're part of the community. It's the perfect way to go.
You've got hundreds of people on the street. We're selling a product that we think is high quality at a great price. So that's a way where you can do great volume.
I'm just really happy that people are responding as strongly as they are to the product and to the food and to the concept.
With the advent of upscale, high-end catering trucks banding together, it really forms a community. It offers topics of conversation. In this way, social networking, mobile trucks, and the community makes a great mix.
So regardless of your food fancy, admission into this club of nomad gourmets is as free as your Twitter account. And best of all, no reservations required.
To find a mobile food truck near you, we'll link you on the Eye on LA page at abc7.com.